Okay, so here we are, and we are so excited, and now we're getting ready to go into Sur L for my birthday. So here is our pile that we are starting. We're getting all kinds of stuff, and here's Heather. Hi. Hey babe, so we did good. We went birthday shopping. We got all of our stuff. So thank you, thank you. Y'all, we are so excited. We did so good at Sur L. We are on the way home. And as soon as we get home, we're gonna unpack and we'll show you everything we got. So the first thing we have here, y'all, look at this. This is an air fryer. Now I have an air fryer, but this one, I was telling Heather, I wanted one with the basket, and this is one, it's Cuisinart, and it is one with the basket. So y'all, this is gonna be awesome. And what else do we have there, Heather?
We got personal favorites of the purchase, a bread maker.
Yes, we're so excited. We had one of these when she was a kid and we loved it. Don't know what happened to it. So we've got us a brand new bread maker, and we're actually going to try to make bread probably in the morning.
Cinnamon raisin.
Cinnamon raisin. Yes, cinnamon raisin. Okay, all right. So now let's grab a first bag. So what's in this bag?
This bag is filled with all glassware that I got from my house. So we won't have to go through everything, but
Oh, that was a pretty one.
a champagne flute. I also got some other wine glasses and water glasses
So for white wine, red wine.
and champagne.
Oh, those are so nice. Pretty, pretty. So we ended up with all kinds of glasses. Is there anything else in that bag?
It's just my water glasses and wine.
Okay, so now let's just grab a bag. Y'all, we've got so many bags here. Ooh, these are from STAUB, I think that's how you say it, tools. And these are all types of new utensils. And y'all, what is so cool about these, I'll just show you really quick. Obviously they're good for my nonstick skillets, but look at the handles, y'all. Look, these handles are brown. They're so pretty. They're not so pretty in the kitchen. So there's a whole set of these. Okay, what's next?
Measuring cups.
Measuring cups.
Oven mitts.
And what is so cool about these, you don't have to, look, while she's getting something else, I'll show you. Look, y'all, this oven mitt, when you use it, it has all your fingers. And so now, and most of my mitts, you have a hard time using them because my hands get lost in there. And these are awesome. So we both got a pair of these, right?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, got some measuring spoons. These are nice. These are nice and sturdy ones. And then this little guy, what this is an herb stripper, because I have an herb garden. And so you stick part of the herbs in there and you pull it through and it strips off all the leaves. Did you know about that?
No.
Isn't that cool?
Very. I kind of wish I would have got one of these.
I know. You may have to get one of those in your stocking for Christmas.
I meant to go back for it, but I forgot.
Okay. Yeah, this is, do you do all your chopping? And then you can scoop it up like this and then pour it in, and it's just so neat. They have some that don't have these little sides, but I like the ones that have the sides. So we'll have to get you one of those. Oh, that's the thing I told you about in the car. So this little guy, and y'all, you're gonna see all these in some videos coming up. This is a little ice cube tray. And what you do, it says on here, you take your oil, like your olive oil, and you take minced garlic, and I put all my herbs in there, and then you put them in there and you freeze all that, and then you take it out, and I can use that for seasonings when we're cooking. Now this little guy is for my KitchenAid mixer. They call it a pouring chute. So when the mixer's going like this, you can sit this little thing like this and pour your flour in it, and you don't have to worry with chopping your fingers off. Herb scissors, yep, has all these little extra blades in here to cut up those herbs from the herb garden. And are they both in there? Oh, yours was in a box. This cookie sheet, y'all, look at this. This is a Sur L cookie sheet. And it has little ridges in it. And this thing is so heavy and it's nice. It's gonna be awesome. Oh my, is that my, oh, those are my glass bowls.
Yes.
Okay, I know. I get excited over the littlest things. And these bowls, I'm not gonna unwrap all of these right now, but y'all, these come in all sizes. So look at this, I got these for when I'm filming, but they have little bitty bowls and they get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So I have got now glass bowls, all sizes. I can put like salt and pepper in there and different things and lay it out. It'll look all pretty when we're doing videos. Okay, so is that everything in that bag?
Yeah.
Okay, one bag down. They wrapped, oh, I think these might be your white ramekins. So let me see if they are. Then you don't have to undo the other one. Let's look. Yes, so Heather got a couple of these. What were you gonna do with them?
Like if I do like melted butter or sauces.
Okay.
Just
These
when
are
I need
nice.
Yeah, I needed some little bowls.
Okay.
For sauce and mixing.
These are nice. I like
Butter
them.
to dip my crab.
Oh, that's right. You can melt butter in there to pour over your broccoli. Okay, show those.
I love them.
These are nice. Yes, it's gonna look good.
A plate bowl.
It's gonna look good in your kitchen. Yeah.
Okay.
How many of those did you get?
4.
Okay, those are nice. Pretty, pretty.
That's
Okay.
A salad spinner.
Very nice. What else?
My aesthetic coffee mugs. You know, for hot coffee.
Oh,
But, you know,
nice.
so you can,
I see it. Jay would like that probably.
especially with the Nespresso pods,
Yeah.
it's foamy at the top. It
Ooh.
looks, you know.
Could you put a caramel macchiato? What is it I drink? Caramel macchiato.
Caramel macchiato.
Yes, a caramel macchiato in there.
Yes, if
Okay.
you learn how to make one.
Okay. Oh, I didn't see that.
I only have a plastic one.
That's
so
nice. Look, it has little ridges. You know what we're going to do before summer? We have to go back and get all this stuff to make ice cream.
I know.
Did you see that ice cream maker that they have? And they have all those cool stuff and the bowls that go with it.
This I got for work
Oh, that's nice.
because I need another good work jug.
She's a nurse, so she has
I
to.
do enjoy the hydro flask.
Okay. We did really good. All the Sur L stuff was on sale today, wasn't it?
Almost.
Yeah, just about. We did really, really good. Oh, and that's the kit. That's the, oh, that's the,
The baking sheets.
yes, there's 3 of them. Looks like got little meringue cookies on there. Yeah. Oh, those were those, I call them plate bowls. There's another word for them, but they're bowls that you use like plates. I got 4 of these, y'all. And I don't know if you can see the detail on these, but these are just, they're beautiful. They're like a wicker basket. And this is really good if we eat pasta and just, you know, items like that. So I saw these and I said I wasn't going to get any dishes today. I was going to get this kitchen stuff, but I fell in love with them. So we had to get them. What's that? Same thing? Oh, okay. All right. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, this is my pie plate. Oh, yes. I know. I love pie plates. And this one is so pretty. This one, look, y'all, look at this. It's red. Oh, it's just so pretty. And it has a little white on the inside. So then on the edge of it, you see the little, I'll call them the fluted edge. Anyway, beautiful, beautiful pie plate. Oh, okay. These are so pretty. You got to say, ooh, ah, when you see these. Okay, let me get them off of here. These are by GreenPan, and I really like this company. And Heather got a set last year, the dark green and gold, the whole set of these, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. And I just got a couple of skillets today, and so I got the large one. So look, it's so cream, and y'all look at this handle. These handles is gold. Oh, it's so pretty. I may end up going back and getting the other ones, but this is really all I needed with a couple of skillets. Oh, they're so nice. They're gonna look so pretty back there when we're cooking. Okay, they're ceramic, non-stick. Okay.
They're oven and broiler safe.
Oven safe. Oh, even better. I didn't know that. Wow. I know. They're just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, I'm going to sit those up here. All right. Okay, next. Are those all empty?
Yep.
And those are empty? Okay, here we go. All right, so in here, this is really cool. This is what they call a smart lid. And so this little guy, let me try to go ahead and take him out of here. See if we can get that. So what this does is if you have any skillets or pots or pans and you don't have lids for them because of the ridges on here, it'll go on anything, any size pan, as long as it's at least, you know, smaller than this. And I have some like that. So I thought this was really cool. We got that. And then, oh, this is your baby. Yes, KitchenAid hand mixer.
Yeah.
And that's a really nice one. That's a really pretty one. Yeah, you did good. These are some little goodies, y'all. Just some little utensils, some of mine that had died. Got some tongs. And then these little scoopers are the coolest. If you have like a little chopper for your veggies, like a little food processor, and you don't always want to have to take the blade out, so you just put this in there and wiggle it around. So there, we each got us one of those little things. Those are nice. And then I got, look at this, is this not the coolest thing? It's a spatula, but it looks like a fork. So we couldn't pass this up, so we had to get us a silicone Sur L ultimate fork. Okay, when we're cooking. And then I had to get Jay something since this was his treat. So he got a spatula. So he got a spatula with a J on it, and I got a spatula with an M. So we got Melissa and Jay. Yeah, I think you'll like that. Is
Dutch
that?
oven.
Oh, the Dutch oven.
A 5-quart.
Now that one, let me get you a knife to open it. Here you go. This is the Dutch oven. Here you go.
Okay.
And this was the other bag. It says, oh, this is a nice bag. It says Sur L, local fresh, the art and soul of cooking. Yay, this was nice. In our store here, the Sur L store here in the Woodlands, we're north of Houston, they opened a brand new store, and they got an entire, it's one of their stores where you can go in there and do kitchen, cooking classes, and we saw them doing that while we were in there. They had a cooking class going on. Oh, this is so pretty, Heather. There you go. And they have Dutch ovens, y'all. They're on sale right now, and they're just beautiful. Every color. She took her forever to figure out which color. And not only do they have every color, but they've got like light blue, dark blue, turquoise blue, every kind of blue. There you go. And so that one is pretty, pretty, pretty.
Yes. Super pretty.
I love it, love it. Okay, we've got this little bag, and then I think is this your glasses?
No.
I don't know what that is. Okay, we'll figure it out. Okay, here we go. There was one, I don't know what this is. Oh, you know what this is? This was our take home from lunch. We went to an incredible restaurant for lunch, so we need to put that in the refrigerator. I was trying to figure out, what is that? Well, this has been so much fun today. We've had a great time. Thanks for coming along on my birthday spree to Sur L, and you're going to be seeing all of these great things and videos that are coming up. So be sure and check out that next video that's popping up. We'll see you there in a few minutes. Bye-bye.
Bye.